check out this fish.
Wait, what's that last note we hit again? Is that right?
E minor.